Hi, I'm David Vanderdusen with Epson. We're here at our InfoComm booth highlighting our PowerLite L family of fixed lens laser projectors from Epson. It's a really exciting and powerful family that brings projection from 5,000 up to 8,000 lumens in throw ratios that go from 0.5 all the way out to 2.2. So all of them deliver full-time 3-chip color with Epson's projection technology. All of these can do 4Ke, allowing us to put 4 million pixels on screen instead of 2 million with WUXGA. And we're very excited at InfoComm to be giving a view toward our new launch, the PowerLite L370E, which is 5,200 lumens, only 12 pounds, and does the 4Ke shifting technology, coming out later this year.